Next part for question 5. Figure 5.1 shows worker pouring liquid metal. Okay, it says the metal changes from hot liquid to cool solid. Okay, so liquid to solid. Describe what happens to the arrangement. First thing we need to talk about separation. Second thing we need to talk about and the motion of the atoms as the metal changes from hot liquid to cool solid. So to do this, our question, let's chunk it up in three main segments. So let me use a different color ink now. So arrangement, separation, and motion. So you just need to compare what is the arrangement between hot liquid to cool solid. So between arrangement, we know that it's random arrangement at the start because for liquid, it is random arrangement. When it becomes a cool solid or solid, it becomes a regular arrangement. For the second part, which is separation, we know that for liquid, it is the particles are closely packed. Once it becomes a solid, for solid, it is very closely packed. So the keyword here is very, from closely packed to very closely packed. And last one, in terms of motion, we know that for liquid, the particles are actually moving randomly within itself. But once it becomes a solid, we know that it vibrates in a fixed position. So that is how you go about tackling this question here. It may look very daunting with so many lines, but if you separate them in terms of arrangement, separation, and motion, thinking in terms of liquid to solid, what's the difference between their particle arrangement, separation, and motion, it actually allows you to do this question quite reasonably. Okay, let's look at part B. Now, when the workers cool their tools in water, they accidentally spilled some water onto the floor. After some time, the floor is dry and cool. So we know that the water disappeared. Okay. Now, what do you think is this main process that causes the water to disappear? I think many of us know the key concept, the key process here is actually evaporation. Okay. Now, they want you to state the name of the process and explain in terms of the kinetic model of metal why the floor becomes dry. The thing is, we also need to explain why they become cool. Okay, so let's try to write this down. So the explanation is the water particles, okay, or the water molecules gain sufficient energy, okay, at the surface, gains sufficient energy, okay, from the surrounding, okay, to overcome the intermolecular force of attraction and atmospheric pressure. Okay, do take note they need to overcome two things for evaporation to occur, the intermolecular force of attraction and atmospheric pressure. Okay. Now, once they're able to overcome it, okay, the more energetic, water molecules. Sorry for the ugly handwriting. Let me rewrite this part here. Oops. Okay. Water molecules escapes to the atmosphere, allowing the floor to be dry. Okay, so this is 3 marks there, 1 mark for the process, and the explanation will be another 2 more marks. So this is for question 5.